Hey guys, so I'm back with one more lead code. Not a lead code, but yeah, no college question that like I was solving this question and I find this a little interesting. You know what the question is? I'll explain it short. This is the cost we have been given. Travel from here to here we have given cost. Okay. So we have to choose the path with a minimum effort. Like if I move from here, it will be 131. If I move from here, it is 41. So we have to choose something the path which will have the less and minimum cost. So from here to here we have to go. So for this I wrote this code. You might find it little lengthy, but once you get to know how this works, the logic, the coding is little it's very easy to code. So I made a class for each element. Like this is a node class and this is row, column and rows. So class is something you have to know by yourself. And this is something I made, like I'll show you with this. What I did here, this is the main question, okay, grid, and this is the one where I'll store the possibilities cost. I'll explain you later, you'll get to know. And this is the queue, why I'm using it, I'll also tell them. First, what I will do, I'll just select this one, okay, I'll add into the queue. So this is node, as I told this is row, column and cost is 31. Now I will take this, I'll push out this. Okay, I pushed it out. Okay, now what happened right now? When I pushed it out, so I'll get here cur dot row. So I'll get here 0 and cur dot column, because this is node, as I told you, this is a class. Okay, so cur dot column, this is also 0 and cur dot cost, this is 31. We are taking it from this one by one. Now in R, what is this? I want you to understand this concept. This is pretty easy. This is something when we want to move, like, so first remember this DR, this is direction of row, this is up and down. Okay, so in row, if you want to move up and down, we will plus 1. So this will become 3. So we going down, and if we do something minus comma 0, so this will become plus and 1 comma 0. So from this we can actually move from up and down, and from this column we can move right and left. So this is the approach. So right now I'm like, so this is 1 and this is 0. Which one? So 1 comma 0 is this. Okay, 10. And what happened? I'll just cost plus greed cost is, we already know the cost is 31 plus greed of 1 comma 0, which is 10, and 10 here, how much it becomes a 14. Okay, now what I will do is I'll continue this. Now I'll just add this one into the next. Okay, so this become this new row and new column. So this and new cost is this, and this one I'll also add into this. So this is this, and the new value is this. Like suppose I will go on doing the sum of this all the things, and I'll go on doing the sum of this all the things. At the last, what I will do is we'll use one condition. You can see here the condition is something if new cost is lesser than this. Like suppose if my value is somewhere here and I move here, I get, when I plus this and this, I get the value which is less than this, then I'll just change it. So anyhow, at the last we are getting the minimum value here, because we are trying to find out all the possibility in this. So this is the approach which I used, and thank you for watching. If you like it, then like my